Got 2 boxes of 2024 Stadium Club. We got it. 2 autos in every box. We're looking for chromes. We're looking for golds, I think there are in here. Gold foils, I guess, or whatever you want to call them. So, see what we can find. Our first box. The other box up right here. Put a couple stands up for these massive hits. There we go. Good luck. Everyone's got, before we start this, 20. I'll take that to 20 and click off of here. Okay. Now we're good. Up to $420 in break credit for 1 of 1. There we go. First card. We got the Lawrence Butler. Oops. There we go. Lawrence Butler catch with Ricky Henderson in the background. Pretty cool. First card. I already love the photography. Hunter Green, Real Muto, Nick Lofton rookie, Pete Carl Armstrong rookie, got an Austin Riley, Power Packed insert, and our first red. I love them doing this compared to last year. It was just a little logo. This looks so much better. Come on, let's be honest. Ooh, and a chrome Hank Aaron on the very back. Yeah, this looks way better. I mean, they could have even like just did red, but like kept this normal because now it kind of blends in, right? But either way, looks cool now. So we'll give it to him. All right, 1 pack down. We got Blaze Alexander, Karen Carpenter, Joey Votto, Andy Pajes, rookie Tyler Soderstrom. Hey, there's our first auto. J.R. Martinez, rookie red, numbered 50 of 50. Look at that. There you go. Brian. Theron, I know, is kicking himself right now that he couldn't get the Rangers from Brian. But look at that's why you don't. Yeah, I know, right? Who is that? Theron would know. That's why you don't trade sometimes, right? So, Corbin Burns red as well, and Darius Vines rookie chrome. Chrome's coming out maybe a little bit more often. That's all right. We like chrome. Maybe they're doing that because they don't plan on releasing chrome like they did last year. I don't know. Guess we'll have to find out. I know chromes weren't as often in last year's, but and then they didn't release it, so I don't know if we'll have to find out. All right, next pack. J.R. Martinez. Let's see anything about him. Lefty, 5'8", hit 225. Nothing crazy, but here we go. Johnny Bench, Bryce Harper, Cole Ragans, Christopher Morreale, Jonathan Clase, rookie, Garrett Cole, Chief Fantasy. Like that design. It's pretty cool. David Ortiz, Big Poppy on the red, and Chrome, Evan Longoria. Chrome in every pack now, huh? All right. Garcia. No, but this one? Is that what you're talking about? Okay, chrome in every pack. Do you know who this is, Theron? J.R. Martinez. It's numbered 50 of 50. Okay, chrome in every pack. All right. Riley Green, Matt McClain, uh, Ben Groen, Zach Geloff, Barry Larkin, Reggie Jackson, Bo Jackson, and Adolis Garcia Chrome. Oh, is it JP? It must be JP. I could have. Oh, it is JP. When I look at it from this, like, doesn't that look like an R? But when you go like this, you can see it's just a P. Oh, he's not even on the Rangers anymore? Wow. That's crazy. Shohei. Frank Thomas. Austin Martin rookie. Parker Meadows. Larry Walker. Victor Scott. Ooh, here we go. Ooh, look at that. Josh. There we go. Coming in with the they're buying the Cardinals. Nice Mason Wynn. Gold. Not numbered, but still. These are nice. And nice Yordan Alvarez Chrome. How did he do last year, Josh? Did he have a good year? I think he was doing good at the start, but I'm not sure how he finished, I guess. Salvador Perez, Ian Happ, another Victor Scott, Scooble, best pitcher in the MLB. Chrome Refractor, Charlie Blackmon. Refractor. Derek Jeter. Special Forces insert. That's pretty cool. Tom Glavine. Red. And Max Scherzer. Cool picture. I'm going to make this a little smaller. Smaller in here. I think there's only a couple refractors per box, so we'll that one over there. All right, Rich. All right, Bo Naylor, Jared Jones, not the pirate we want. Austin Nola, Luis Robert, Lane Thomas, Bobby Witt. Ooh, there we go. Green, black and white. Jonathan India. Not sure what that one is, but that's cool. Okay, sounds good, Rodney. And then Joe Ryan Chrome. Roger, what's this parallel? Green, but black and white. Negative? Yeah, negative. I don't know. So far, we're only halfway through the box, and I'm more impressed with Hobby than Stadium Club last year. So, Sammy Sosa, Pajes, Miggy, Tanner Bybee, Jack Leiter, Christian Yelich, Virtuous of Velocity, Nolan Jones, red, and Bobby Miller. Yeah, it must be CP. I don't know. CP is usually like got that brown color, but I don't know. Gavin Williams, Justin Verlander, maybe coming back to the Tigers. I don't know. Cody Bellinger, Jack Leiter, Bryson Stott, Tristan McKenzie, Dansby Swanson, black. That one's a black. And for Francisco Alvarez. Oh. You have to send me something after, Roger. Might not be able to remember that when I'm sorting. Wyatt Langford. There we go. There's the Langford rookie. A-Rod. Pete Crow Armstrong. Josh Gibson. We'll randomize that one off. Matt Olson. Chrome. Refractor. Oh, it's a nice one. Was able to get that off. Pete Alonso. Special Forces. Carlos Correa. Red. And Jazz Chisholm. Well, just like I think just the chrome in every pack alone is already making me feel like it's better than last year. I don't know why. Especially if we're not going to get it. We didn't need it. JP was traded to the Braves in January. I'm sure she was using the bench cap and trying. Yeah. Isn't that crazy? He's traded, not even on the Rangers card. Ooh, looks like we got a green here. Jordan, Stroman, Jackson Merrill is our first rookie of Merrill. Another Lawrence Butler. Ooh, oh, here we go. Double parallel pack. Ian Happ, numbered 43 and 99 for the Cubs. Let me move a little closer. 43 and 99. Look at that. Orange. And Shane Clanahan. This one is green, but it's not numbered. 2 Stadium Club Chromes, 1 pack. Not numbered. Greens, not numbered. Interesting. Rod Carew, red. Man, look at the color in this pack. We had red, green, and orange. And a nice Riley Green chrome. Yeah, that's crazy. Probably obviously shorter printed, but kind of like the Lunars, maybe, like Bowman Chrome, right? You think these are better than the compact? Bill, you said you opened compact, right? Which do you like better? Mm-hmm. Yeah, instead of all the reds. Okay. Yeah, interesting. All right, Shane Bieber, Imanaga, Juan Soto, Royale, Clemente, Shohei insert, Velocity, Virtuous of Velocity, Hank Aaron red, and Rafaela Chrome rookie. Yeah, I know. I liked the compact better last year, and then you know you never know what they're gonna change if they listen to people. So I was planning on getting the compact, but then I don't know. Got some hobby. McGuire, Dylan Cease, Musgrove, or Gosman, George Brett, Justin Steele, and we got one of the die cuts here. Jason Dominguez. Oh, that's number to 99. Jason Dominguez. There you go, Juan. Nice trade. Number 72 of 99, Jason Dominguez. Probably goes with Aaron Judge and I don't know, somebody else. Javier Baez, red. George Brett, chrome. There we go. Oh yeah, probably probably Monson. You're right. Ben Brown, Fred Turner, Jimenez, another Jackson Merrill, Jose Canseco, Zach Gallen, Fantasy Chief Fantasy. Got a die cut, going yard, Young-Hoo Lee for the Giants. Eric. Are these case hits? I think they you might. I think you're right. They might have been maybe last year, but Sean Murphy. There we go. Going yard. Jackson Merrill. Is that Eric? Right? With the Giants? Yep. Alright, a couple packs left. We're still looking for our last auto. I believe. Jimenez, Davis Schneider, Bo Jackson, Nico Horner, Jared Jones. There it is. Owen White. Oh, there. It's got two Rangers autos. Owen White on card auto. Rangers box. Oh, look at it. Another Ranger. Corey Seager red and Contreras. All right. Got one more pack. See what else we can find. The old Rangers box. But Darren doesn't get the Rangers. Mike Schmidt, Steven Kwan, Colt Keith, rookie. Roger Clemens, Frank Thomas. We got green. Looks like green paper coming up. Mookie Betts, Power Pact, and Jose Canseco. Oh, it is that one's numbered. Green paper, numbered to 199. Canseco, man, just look at that. I mean, you can't see it as well. I mean, you can still see it, but it looks so green in person. Kyle Harrison, rookie chrome. It's just so nice looking. I know they probably can't just do this over and over again, but I wish I could. Like in every product, I mean. All right. Let's pick down all our hits from box number 1. Set those aside. It's a nice stack from one box. And here we go into box number 2. So we can add. We get 1, 2, 3. I think like three or so number cards. And I think last year, we'll see how this box is, and maybe more in the future. But I think last year we got like multiple like base autos of just random people, like no name rookies. So maybe it's in like some of the other products how they give you like a numbered auto and then a base auto. We can get that. That's pretty good. Justin Steele, Castillo, it makes this worth it. Ian Happ, Brian Wu, Yogi Berra, Connor Phillips, Julio. Maybe that's I don't know. It's in the maybe hit spot. So Everson Pereira, Chrome rookie. Maybe that's a short print. I don't know. Count on. Actually, I can do this. Now it's got the base code on the back. All right, this is our first rookie chrome. The Yanks. There's a Mike Trout chrome on the back. Passe, Babe Ruth. It's a cool picture. Babe Ruth. Dylan Cease, Logan Webb. Here we go. Corey Seager, refractor. Marte, rookie. I don't know. Might not be a case that well, I don't know. It could be. It could be, but you have to look it up for me, Roger. But I got this from one guy. I don't know if he grabbed him from. It's like he owns a shop, so he might have just grabbed him from multiple cases, but who knows? But Mookie Betts is a nice one. Got the going yard insert. Oh, really? 1 in 126 packs. It's pretty good. What's it, like 24 in a box? I can't even see. Usually 24 packs or something like that, right? Is that considered case hit 1 in 20 126? Probably, right? I think there's like 16 boxes in a case. Something like that. Max Muncy, Sammy Sosa, Barry Larkin, Luciano, rookie, Will Smith, L'Oreal, Lawrence Butler, red. Cool picture. And Teoscar Hernandez. Roger, you already got double mod status. Don't try and get triple, alright? Don't want you, getting too much power. Central Page, Babe Ruth, Novelli Marte, Blaze Alexander, Bernie Williams, Vladdy, Power Pact, Bryson Stott, number to 199 for the Phillies. Loaded up with the Phillies. Phillies. One, there you go. Bryson Stott and a Young Hoo Lee rookie chrome for Eric. Let's cover up the key fit. What are the odds? 2 case hits in the same break. 2 back-to-back boxes. Nick Lofton, Matsui, Encarnacio Strong, Pajes, Mariano Rivera, Frank Thomas, and a gold Randy Rosarena. Not numbered, but pretty cool one there for the Rays. And Marcus Semien. I think we only got 1 gold in the first one, and then that one. So probably 1 per box on those. Red being the main. Will Clark, Clayton Kershaw, Nico Horner, George Kirby, Don Mattingly, Ronald Acuna Jr., Power Pact, and nice Jackson Chourio red, and Ken Griffey Jr. That's a cool picture. Chourio for the Brewers. Was that Mike? There you go, Mike. Is in here? Doesn't look like it. This one. It's rookie red. Ellie, there's our first Ellie. Oh, okay, the gold minted or. Jeez. All right, Ben Brown, J.P. Crawford, Mariano Rivera, Andrew Abbott, and Encarnacio Strong, rookie auto for the Reds. Roger. There we go. Telly Glass now. Red. And Jim Palmer. Yeah. He didn't try too hard on that one, did he? Nope. Didn't try too hard. It's Ellie. Yeah, he's our guy. Alright, Victor Scott, Yogi Berra, Jimenez, Willie Mays, Freddie Freeman, Gunner, Special Forces, Cedric Mullins, red, and Dale Murphy, chrome. You guys like these boxes? You want more? Should I get some more? Mookie Betts, Luis Robert, Yastrzemski, Mickey Mantle. Here we go. Andre Dawson, numbered 51/99 for the Nationals. Or the Expos / Nationals. There we go. And we got a Yamamoto die cut, not numbered this time, but Yamamoto for the Dodgers. This one there. Barry Larkin, red, and Cole Ragans. I got 2 more boxes. I only got 4 boxes, but I can try and get some more. So you guys would say hobby over compact then? Stick to hobby over compact if I got some more. Hobby's a little more, but yeah, you get 2 autos. Yeah. Shane Bieber, Manzardo, Aaron Judge, Johnny Bench, Luis Matos, rookie, Aaron Judge, Special Forces, and Spencer Steer, Tristan Casas, and one non-numbered red every pack. Gotcha. James Outman, Pete Crow Armstrong, Josh Gibson, Bernie Williams, Jose Ramirez, and there's our second auto, Joey Estes. So I was wrong earlier about maybe they'll give us a numbered rookie auto and a base rookie auto. But for the Oakland Athletics, which is, I can't see. Yeah. Eric. There you go, Eric. And look at that, Jackson Holiday for the Orioles. Orioles got traded, right, to Theron. Nice one there, Theron. And Reggie Jackson. Red Jackson Holiday. Did you guys see the Jackson Holiday? I know. The Jackson Holiday, Bill Ripken, dual auto. Is that what that was? That came out. They posted it today. Topps did. Looks pretty sweet. Austin Martin. Is that in this? If so, yeah, I'm gonna pull it. No, maybe not in this box, but okay. Mickey Mantle, Jimenez, Stan Musial, Aaron Judge, Nolan Jones, Virtuous of Velocity, Emmett Shaheen, red rookie, and Aaron Duran. All right, next up, Tristan McKenzie, Christian Scott, Anthony Rizzo, Hunter Green, Kyle Harrison, Bobby Miller, Bobby Witt. This is a not a black. It's the base. And Henry Davis Chrome rookie. I don't know which one you just said, Roger. So you got send me a message out there. Tell me which one's that. Austin Stack, Greg Thomas, Ozzie Smith, Joey Luperfido. That's how you say it. Stanton, and William Contreras, Chrome Refractor for the Brewers. Jason Dominguez, Power Packed rookie. Jim Palmer, red. And Lane Thomas, Chrome. Packed. All right, we got 2 packs left. Spencer Steer, Ichiro, Yamamoto rookie. Dylan Cease, Lars Nootbaar, Jordan Lawler, green, chrome. With the Diamondbacks. We ended up with the Diamondbacks. Roger, there you go. Jose Canseco. So these are not numbered. Jose Canseco, red. And a Lou Gehrig. It's like such a nice photo on this too, just compared to like other, I don't know, releases. If I was getting his auto, or not his auto, but well, maybe. All right. Especially yeah, when you added the chromes having color too, right? Rizzo, Quan, Tyler Black, Garrett Cole, Jonathan India, Kodai Senga, Chief Fantasy. It's not numbered, but I want to see the other Chief Fantasies weren't that color. I guess they all have different colors. That one was red. Interesting. Not numbered or anything. Pete Crow Armstrong, rookie red. Oh, look at that. And we'll finish it off with 2 Pete Crow Armstrongs. 1 chrome, 1 red. Green chromes are 1 in 16. So yeah, one per hobby box. On the green chromes. So let's do a little recap. That is our last pack. All right. Let's split these up. Yeah, we'll just go through them. We got Darius Vines, rookie, chrome rookie, Pete Crow Armstrong, chrome rookie, chrome Armstrong red, Yamamoto, Henry Davis rookie, Ali rookie, Young-Hoo Lee, Novelli Marte, Virtuous Velocity rookie, Owen White auto, number 1. We got a Going Yard, Young-Hoo Lee insert, Jason Dominguez, numbered to 99. This one there. Mason Witt, gold. Jose Canseco, numbered to 199. Shane McClanahan, green, chrome, not numbered. This is the negative, I guess. Jonathan India. Refractor, Charlie Blackmon. Second auto, J.R. Martinez, numbered 50 of 50. The Rangers, rookie auto. Rafaela, Matt Olson, refractor. Class A, rookie red. Ian Happ, numbered to 99. Kyle Harrison, Jackson Merrill, Wyatt Langford. Joey Estes, auto. Jackson Chourio, red, rookie. Emerson Pereira. Encarnacio Strachan, rookie auto. Randy Rosarena, gold. Lawrence Butler, red, rookie. Jordan Lawler, green, chrome, rookie. Jason Dominguez, power packed, rookie insert. Jackson Holiday, red. Andre Dawson, number 99. Bryson Stott, number to 199. Corey Seager, refractor. Will Contreras, refractor. Emma Shaheen, red, rookie. Yamamoto, insert, and Mookie Betts, Going Yard. There we go. 2 Going Yards. We got a 2 refractors in each box. Just kind of recapping Stadium Club here if anyone's interested. 2 refractors per box. Some rookie inserts. Nothing too crazy there. A bunch of base top rookies. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 red rookies. Kind of the top rookies. There's more over here. Actually, no, that was all the rookie reds. Green chrome, 1 per box. Looks like maybe, I mean, maybe not, but so far we got 2 golds. Got a negative out of 2 boxes. And then for our numbered cards, we got quite a few numbered cards. Hit my thing. We got 2 greens to 199, 1 per box. We got 2 oranges, both to 99. We got our 4 autos, and then we got an insert numbered. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, not including the auto. So about 2 numbered per box. 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh wait, no, we got 5 numbered. So yeah, about 2 per box. Maybe 3 if you consider this, right? Numbered cards, 2 autos. Pretty nice, I must say. Nice color, nice inserts, nice chrome. I'm a fan. I'm a fan of Stadium Club again. Last year turned me away, kind of. Wasn't a fan of that. I only got 2 more. Only got 2 more. Oh. Lowest one, lowest numbered. Let me lowest numbered real quick. And I still need to do that for the last 2 months, honestly. But this is 100, so that's out of it. These are too high. That's over 100. 43 to 99, 51 to 99. Actually, the 50 out of 50, right? That's 100, over 100, over 100, over 100, over 100, over 100. So yeah, Rangers, Brian. The golds aren't numbered. I wish. That'd be nice. In the right spot. There it is. There's the Randy Gold. Not numbered, unfortunately.